Another interesting category you can explore on CoinGecko is Perpetual DEX, often called Perp DEX. Perp DEX platforms are decentralized exchanges that allow users to trade perpetual futures contracts. Unlike traditional spot trading, where you buy and sell the actual cryptocurrency, perpetual trading allows traders to speculate on price movements without owning the asset itself. Perpetual contracts are called perpetual because they do not have an expiration date. This means traders can keep their positions open as long as they want, as long as they maintain the required margin. Perp DEX platforms allow traders to open both long positions, which profit when the price goes up, and short positions, which profit when the price goes down. Because of these features, perpetual trading has become extremely popular among crypto traders. Now let's see how to find these platforms on CoinGecko. When you open the CoinGecko website, go to the categories section. Here you will see many crypto sectors such as DeFi, NFTs, and Layer 1 blockchains. Among these categories, you can find Perpetual DEX. When you open this category, CoinGecko displays a list of tokens related to decentralized perpetual trading platforms. These tokens usually belong to protocols that power derivatives trading in decentralized finance. On the Perp DEX category page, CoinGecko provides important market data for each project. You will typically see the current token price, market capitalization, 24-hour trading volume, percentage price change. Market capitalization helps you understand the overall size of the project. Trading volume shows how active the market is for that token. A higher trading volume usually indicates stronger liquidity and more active traders. These metrics help users compare different Perp DEX projects and evaluate their relative importance in the market. CoinGecko does not provide trading itself, but it allows users to analyze major perpetual DEX protocols such as DYDX, GMX, and Synthetics. These platforms allow users to trade perpetual futures contracts directly from their crypto wallets without relying on centralized exchanges. This approach provides greater transparency and control over funds. Many traders prefer decentralized platforms because they can maintain custody of their assets while trading derivatives. If you click on any of these tokens on CoinGecko, you will be taken to the project's dedicated page. Here you can explore more detailed information such as price charts, historical performance, circulating supply, total supply, all-time high prices. Analyzing these metrics helps traders understand the growth and adoption of a Perp DEX protocol. While perpetual trading can offer powerful opportunities, it also involves higher risk. Perpetual contracts often use leverage, which can amplify both profits and losses. That's why it's important to carefully analyze the market and manage risk before trading derivatives. CoinGecko provides valuable data to help users research these platforms, but responsible trading decisions always require proper knowledge and caution.